Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we're going to talk about Capital One shopping tutorial. So how does this Capital One work? So basically Capital One shopping gets you best offers. It's actually technically compares offers, and the offers compare prices and gives you better offers, and also it applies automatic coupons to your item at checkouts, and then also helps you when prices gets down. It gives you notification on items that you're interested or you're purchased. So various kind of things you can do with this Capital One shopping, and that can save you a lot. So if you log into your Capital One site here, so once you're on your account, you're logged in, so you will see quite a lot of deals here that you can use. For example, like on a Nike, you can just use this deal. If you want to purchase anything on Nike, you can browse it, or else you can straight away search for your product here. So here you can type anything and search for product that you wish to buy. You can search that, or else you can also search through brands or products through categories here, so however you want. So if you don't want to waste time, you can simply search for it and then get it. And apart from that, you can also, like, if you are interested in a deal, a certain deal, something like this here, you can simply click on it, and then it will take you to the item page here. So once you click on it here, so what happens, for example, in these Nike shoes here, so when you get to this page here, so when I open up the item, so now what I have to do here is just simply select the sizes, so whatever that I wish to buy. So simply select the sizes, and this item is currently 24% off, so I can get it for 24% off cheaper. And then what I'm going to do, I'm simply select the size. Since it's a shoe, I'm just selecting a size, and then hit on add to bag. So I'm going to add it to my bag so that I can check out. So here, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to hit on checkout. So when I hit on checkout here, so what's going to happen is, once I get to this checkout page here, these are my delivery and payment details here. That's fine. And these are my price details here, so how much it's going to cost me. So those informations are here. So what I'm going to do now here, I have these option to get the rewards. So I have this 8% rewards from Capital One shopping. So what I want to do, if I want to get that, so simply hit on activate rewards. So when I hit on activate rewards, then these will be automatically applied to my purchase here, and then all I have to do is simply just complete this purchase by providing my delivery options, payment details and everything, and then just complete the order like how we normally do at any online shopping. And also you can also, as I said earlier, browse through any items here and then search for deals. For example, let me show something. Probably I'm just going to choose this. Okay, I'm just going to browse through some random items here. So when I choose it, so for example here, for these tops here stuff, so I'm going to hit on view deals. So this will show me various deals here. So if I scroll down, this is the item details, and then I'll see all the offers here. So at the moment I only have one offer here, so that's the best deal so far. I can simply hit on it and then view the offer and then complete the process, so I mean the purchase. So that's how you can use that's how Capital One works. It actually lists out good deals for you. So for example, in the example here, if I just open up any item here, so it's going to show me there are three offers on this item here, this cooktop. So I can basically choose, and there are details of each. So it has compared the prices on various sites, and then it has given me the best deal, which is from Zoro for me. So I can just hit on it and then complete the purchase. So that's pretty much it is. I hope this video was helpful to you all. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.